I got this BMW R NineT a few years ago and I've enjoyed many local trips on it. But what if you wanted to go further and bring something with you, but your bike is like mine and has absolutely no storage? Well, one of these NICECNC dual-purpose backpacks might be just what you need. Let's start with the design and the build quality. Looking around the backpack, there are plenty of clips and straps that we can use when we convert this into a tailback and a nice handle at the top for when we want to carry it around. Parts of the back are made of breathable mesh material for better airflow, and the rest is very solid. It feels to be of decent quality and very rugged feeling in the hand, especially with the hardshell construction. It's also IPX4 water resistant, which protects against splashing water from any angle, but would not protect from low or high stream pressure or submersion. I saw some people complain about the protective film that's difficult to remove, so I used a plastic scrape blade around the bottom and then peeled it off. It didn't leave any residue and only a few plastic pieces were left to be removed by hand, which was very easy. Anyway, taking a closer look, we can see the water resistant zipper as well as the reflective strip that runs right above it. Opening that zipper reveals all the goodies that are inside, which include a rain cover for those times you get caught in a heavier rain. You also get the backpack straps and the seat straps of different lengths. Some have quick release buckles and some have clips or anchors for attaching to your bike. In fact, converting this from a backpack to a tailback couldn't be easier. I chose to use the two quick release straps as those were the easiest on my bike, but you can use whichever ones you like. I then simply ran each one under the seat and tightened them down until secure. After the first time, they are already at the correct length and you just clip them in and go. Once installed, we can use it to store a lot of gear or use it as a carry-on bag for traveling. It can be converted from its standard 26-liter capacity to 38-liter capacity, which could be enough for a weekend getaway. You can, of course, use it to store your helmet, gloves, and other gear when it's extended like this, and since it's designed to withstand dirt, dust, and water from the road, it can be easily washed off and keep your stuff safe from the elements. I like the expandable feature as I can keep it fairly small for just my essentials and wear it as a backpack or expand its capacity on the go, accommodating any need. This compartment is also lined with soft fabric, so you don't have to worry about scratching your helmet's visor or a laptop if you choose to store that in here as well. We can see how it works as a tail bag, but how well does it work as a backpack? Well, that's pretty simple as well. Remove the straps, throw them inside the bag, and attach the shoulder straps. Now you can carry it as a backpack. Of course, it can then just be adjusted like any other backpack to make sure it fits you well. The weight distribution is well thought out, making it feel balanced even when fully loaded. It's also nice to see multiple compartments and pockets inside the bag to help keep everything organized, as well as the stretchy strap that keeps bulky items in place. So what's the verdict on this nice CNC motorcycle hardshell backpack that's expandable to 38 liters and can be used as a helmet bag, a tail bag, or just a regular backpack? Well, I think it's a pretty cool idea and I appreciate the thought that went into making it stylish, ergonomic, and even matching the paint on my bike. I do wish there was a more permanent solution to installing it on the bike though. Maybe a bracket that could be strapped to the bike more permanently that you would then click the backpack in, although it probably wouldn't be nearly as comfortable to wear. This manual process also makes it lighter for carrying around, and I think that's why they went with this approach. Some people have complained about the price, but I think it provides a lot for the money, especially with the sleek exterior protective shell, water-resistant materials all the way around, smooth and sturdy zipper, I really like that actually, nice carrying handle, and of course the versatility. It looks pretty good on my bike as well. If you'd like to check out more information on this item or would like to purchase yours, check out the links in the description. Like the video if you liked it, and if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!